सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वाकर्थः प्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।
धन्यवादः महोदय, सम्यक् आसीत्। इदानीं केचन प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? Do you have any questions regarding the previous class?
Yes, I have a couple of questions. What is Pramshupalaha?
Pramshupalaha is the principal.
Principal, okay. And Shwashuraha is a brother-in-law?
No, father-in-law.
Father-in-law, okay. Thank you.
Anybody else having any doubts?
Ma'am, what will be the Bahuvachan of Eshaha? Like this, these, what will?
Eshaha, ete.
Etai.
Ete.
Ete. Ete.
Saha will be, Bahuvachanam of Saha will be te. So, Eshaha, you will be adding only ete.
Ma'am, what is Vartakaha?
Vartakaha is trader.
Merchant.
Merchant, trader.
Is Dwarapalaha same as Dwarapalakaha? Okay.
Almost we have discussed the meaning of all the words given by you. I was hearing the video. When I heard the video, I could find out. We have discussed almost all the words.
Yes, yes. Some of the people were finding it means too many words in a single class. So if you find it very difficult, then I'll reduce it today.
No, go ahead. That's
hearing the video helps a lot.
Yes.
Again and again, and
it is like revision only. Okay. Now
I have a small suggestion. This is Madhvi. I think we, while going through those words, we all should mute ourselves.
Yes.
Because I watched the other class. They did it very, I mean, it's very disciplined and organized. That's what I thought.
Okay.
So he did the same thing like you, right? Each one of us just, walked through read and explained four different words. But it was more, the rest of the class was quiet.
Okay.
So it was more audible and more disciplined.
Yes. I have already told everybody to mute. So it is your responsibility to keep the class stable. Because everybody is grown up. So I expect you people to mute and cooperate with others so that everybody is benefited. So every time I need not keep on muting. It's not required actually. Please take care of the need of others also, everybody. Unless and until you are asked for, please don't answer. Okay? We will do a bit of revision once. Kaha, yeshaha kaha, saha kaha, you are asking, no? So, saha balakaha, yeshaha parvataha, yeshaha mushakaha, like that. Then, in Strilingam, it is ka. Sa ka, who is she? Yesha ka. Sa balika, yesha ankani, yesha lekhani, like that. Then for Napumsakalingam, it would be kim. Tat kim, etat kim. Tat phalam, etat pustakam, tat kandukam, etat sanganakam, like that. Now you are asking, atra gajaha asti va? You are asking, gajaha asti va? Lekhani asti va? Griham asti va? Am asti. If you say yes, it is there, then it is am asti. If it is not there, you will say nasti. Gajaha nasti. This asti nasti is in ekavachanam for all the three. Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga, for all of them, it will be same. Okay. Then Ramaha, Ramaha. Harihi, Harayaha. Have you understood this? Ikaranta, when this word ends with E, then it in Bahuvachanam, it becomes Harayaha. Harihi, Harayaha. Then Guruhu, Ukarantaha. Here, Guravaha. It is not Gurayaha, it will be Guravaha. Any doubts here? So I suppose there is no, nobody is having any problem. So Ramaha, there Ramaha will be the Bahuvachanam. When Ramaha is Ekavachanam, Pullinga Shabda, Ramaha Bahuvachanam. Guruhu, here Guruhu is Ukaranta, Ekavachanam. Here Guravaha, you cannot, Guruvaha, you cannot write. That will be wrong. You have to write Guravaha. Guravaha. Okay. Then Ikaranta, Hari Shabdaha. Harihi, Ekavachanam, Pullinga Shabdaha, Hari Shabdaha. Tatra Bahuvachanam asti, Harayaha. Harayaha. Hariyaha you cannot write. That will be wrong. Okay. Then today we will learn Strilinga Bahuvachana Shabdaha. Just a minute, let me share another this thing. Can you all see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Veena. Veena is an instrument. All of you know. Veena. For this, Bahuvachanam would be Veenaha. Rotika. Actually, this ka should come along with this rotika. Roti. Yes, can you one by one, I'll call the names. Please answer only that person. Arun Mahodaya.
Rotikaha.
Rotikaha. Gayatri Mahodaya.
Chatakaha.
Chataka.
Chatakaha.
Chataka ekavachanam asti. Chatakaha bahuvachanam. Haraprasad Mahodaya.
Gulika. Gulikaha.
हीना महोदय. हीना.
मरीचिका. मरीचिकाः.
मरीचिकाः. रीटा.
पताका. पताकाः.
पताकाः. वेदार्थम रमेश.
अग्निशालिका शालाका अग्निशालका अग्निशालाका अग्निशालाकाः
अग्निशलाकाः शलाकाः शा इति दीर्घं नास्ति. शलाकाः.
अग्निशलाकाः.
विन्ध्य.
बालिका. बालिकाः.
बालिका बालिकाः. माधवी.
Sorry. Chhatra. Chhatraः.
छात्राः. शीला. शीला महोदय.
हाँ, महिला महिलाः.
महिलाः. कल्पना.
उत्पीठिका उत्पीठिकाः.
संतोष.
पेटिका पेटिकाः.
पेटिका पेटिकाः. सोनल.
जवनिका जवनिकाः.
जवनिका कर्टन. माधुरी.
लता लताः.
लता लताः. क्रीपर. अळगप्पन.
सिक्थवर्तिका.
सिक्थवर्तिका.
सिक्थवर्तिका. सिक्थवर्तिकाः.
सिक्थवर्तिकाः. सुंदरी.
सिक्थवर्तिकाः.
सुंदरी
कुंजिका. कुंजिका कुंजिकाः.
कुंजिका कुंजिकाः. प्रीति.
Is Sikthavartika, is it candle or is it just the light?
Candle.
Candle.
माला मालाः.
प्रीति.
पांचालिका पांचालिकाः.
गणेश महोदय.
अवकरिका अवकरिकाः.
डस्टबिन्स.
पांचालिका means toy.
Toy, yes. हाँ. अमी. अमी महोदय.
निधानिका निधानिका.
What is निधानिका?
Cupboard.
हाँ, cupboard, wardrobe, whatever. हाँ. कार्तिक महोदय.
मल्लिका मल्लिकाः.
हाँ. जैस्मिन. मीनाक्षी.
आधानिका आधानिकाः.
What is आधानिका?
Tray.
Tray, yes, very good. निर्मल महोदय.
नदी.
हाँ. Here.
नदये.
Here. See, till now you had akaranta, strilinga shabdah. Now it has become ikaranta. In pullinga it will be ikaranta. Here it is ikaranta. Ikaranta strilinga shabdah nadi, river. So Nadi, Nadyah.
Nadyah.
Nadi, Nadyah. Next. Who else is left out? Please answer.
Me, Sukanya.
Ha.
Lekhani. This is again Ikaranta.
Very good.
So it will become Lekhanaha.
Lekhanyaha.
Lekhanyaha.
Lekhani, Lekhanyaha. Who is next?
I'm left, Sandeep.
Ha.
Ankani, Ankanyah.
Ankani.
Ankani, Ankanyah.
Ankanyah.
Ma'am Aarti. Darvayah.
Darvyah. Darvi, Darvyah. So now we will do more words. Now you are familiar with this. So we will do more words like
so for Darvi, is it Darvayaha or is it Samyuktakshar?
Darvyah. Now you will look at it.
I have a question. Do we have in Pullinga Ikaranta words?
Yes, you have, but not now. This is too early for you.
Okay.
Now, now you focus on whatever is being discussed in the class. Okay.
Okay. All right.
Just one more thing. Lekhan. In Ankani is madam, I didn't get that. Ankani is Ankani.
Ankanyah.
Ankaniyaha.
Ankanyah.
Ankanyah.
You want me to show that how to write?
If you can just.
Okay. Just a minute.
Yeah.
See here. You know how to write Ankani. Okay. This is Ankani.
Okay.
So for this, Bahuvachanam would be Ankan. Ankanyah. Can you see?
I got it. Got it.
Can you show it for Darvi?
Yeah,
yes,
Darvi also.
Yeah, Darvi also I can show. Just a minute. Darvi is there. Okay. For this, Darvyah. Darvi, Darvyah. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any other word you find it difficult to make out?
Do you also for Lekhani?
Lekhani, Lekhanyah.
Gulika. Gulika is chilli or it's hot? What is
Gulika is tablet.
Gulika is tablet. Then Marichika is chili or
yes.
it's hot?
Marichika is chili.
Okay. Gulika is tablet.
So Marichika is not going to be specific red or green. It is just chili, right?
Yes. Marichika is there you have whatever you want to specify, If you say Mahamarichika, then it will become capsicum, like that.
Okay. And can you once pronounce the Sanskrit word for candle? I just found it a little difficult.
Siktha Vartika.
Siktha Vartika.
Siktha. Tha is the second tha. This one.
Siktha Vartika.
This tha should come.
Yeah. Siktha Vartika.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Now we will do this Bahuvachanam of yes. Yes, now one by one start answering. Arun Mahodaya. First three are done for you, so take the fourth one.
Mahila. Mahila.
Mahilaha. Gayatri Mahodaya.
Dvichakrika. Dvichakrikaah.
Haraprasad Mahodaya.
Mala. Malaha.
Hina.
Lata. Lataha.
Rita.
Marichika. Marichikaah.
Vedartham Ramesh.
Pataka. Patakaah.
Vindhya. Yes. Yes, please mute. Yes.
Ma'am, what is Marichika?
Marichika is chili.
What about pataka? What does it mean?
Pataka is
flag.
Flag. Jhanda. Flag. Vindhya.
I can't see the last word. Okay, yeah. Mata. Mata.
Madhavi.
Pachika. Pachikaah.
Sheila.
What does in Pachika?
Cook. Female cook.
Okay. Gayika. Gayakaha.
Gayikaha.
Gayikaha. Okay.
You must be careful. Gayakaha is Pullinga Bahuvachana. Gayika is Strilinga. Ekavachanam. Gayikaha is Bahuvachanam. Kalpana.
Sorry. Puttalika. Puttalikaha.
Javanika. Santosh.
Puttalika means
toy.
Toy. Okay, yeah.
Javanika. Javanikaah.
Sonal.
Utpitika. Utpitikaah.
Madhavi.
Panchalika. Panchalika. Panchalikaah.
Alagappan.
Panchalika means what?
Panchalika is also toy only. Puttalika is like the puppet. Puppets they make, no? In Hindi, in Hindi they say Kathputli. That has come from this Puttalika.
Javanika?
Javanika is curtain. Madhuri?
Utpitika. Sorry, Katha. Kathaha.
Alagappan, I didn't hear what you said. Please repeat.
I said Katha. Kathaha.
Okay. You can say, you can take another word because she.
Anuja. Anujaha.
Sundari.
Agraja, Agrajaha.
Ganesh.
Vaidya, Vaidya, Vaidyaha.
Preeti.
Kalika, Kalikaha.
What is Kalika?
Bud.
Bud. Very good.
What one?
Bud.
Can you repeat?
Flower bud.
Flower bud.
Just before blooming.
Okay.
Ami. Ami Mahoday.
Adhyapika, Adhyapikaha.
Karthik Mahoday.
Chataka, Chatakaha.
Meenakshi Mahoday.
Chataka means what?
Chataka, yeah.
Chataka is sparrow.
Once more, ma'am.
Sparrow.
Sparrow.
Pravachika. Pravachikaha.
Nirmal Mahoday.
Avakarika.
It should be Avakarika. It is typo error. Avakarika.
Avakarikaha. What is Avakarika mean?
Avakarika is dustbin.
Oh.
Then Sukanya.
Adhanika, Adhanikaha.
What is
What is that, ma'am?
Can anybody tell me?
Yes, it is like a support, some kind of a platform.
Tray.
Tray.
No?
It's a tray.
Tray. It's a tray. Yeah.
Sandeep. Sandeep Mahoday.
Bidala. Bidalaha.
Aarti. Aarti.
Vela, Velaha.
Astu. Once again, Arun Mahodaya, you take 2 words now.
Velaha means
what is Vela?
Vela is wave.
Wave.
What?
Wave in a sea.
Wave.
Tarangaha.
Tarangaha, yes. Tarangaha becomes pullinga, no?
Yeah.
Vela is strilinga.
Yeah.
Arun Mahodaya, take 3 words.
Mushika, Mushikaha.
Be quick. 3 words you have to. Enough. Like very fast.
Rishika. Rishika. Saka.
Shika.
Shika. Shika.
Shika means what?
Shika is the tuft they have
on the head. Yeah.
Yes.
Shaka.
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 Branch.
Shaka is branch. Gayatri Mahoday, 3 words.
Shatika, Shatikaha.
What is Shatika?
Sari.
Sari.
What is what?
Shatikaha. Sari.
What is okay. Okay. Then Kapatikaha. Kapatika. Kapatikaha.
Shatika means what?
Mahoday, Gayatri Mahoday, please mute. You have a lot of background noise. The others find it difficult. Please mute. Shatika is sari.
Kapatika.
Kapatika is cupboard or wardrobe. Actually, Kapatika is cupboard. Nidhanika is wardrobe.
Oh, okay.
Next is Haraprasad Mahodaya. Take 3 words.
Yeah. Mapika, Mapikaha. Nasika, Nasikaha. Jihva. Jihva.
Jihva. Jihvaha.
Jihva.
Is anybody having any difficulty in understanding these words?
Mapika.
Mapika is what is
It's a
Mapika?
tape. Mapika is scale.
Repeat.
Nasika is nose. Jihva is tongue.
What is Mapika?
Scale. Next, Hina Mahode, have you done?
Yeah. Petika, Petika, Petikaha. Shalaka, Shalakaha. Agni Petika, Agni Petikaha.
What is Agni Petika?
Matchstick. Matchstick.
Matchbox.
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 Yes, matchbox.
What is Shalaka?
Shalaka?
Shalaka is stick.
Any stick, in general stick?
Any stick. Agni Shalaka is matchstick.
Matchstick or matchbox?
Shalaka is stick. Petika is box. So you add Agni to them. So it becomes related to matchbox or matchstick. Okay. Vedartham Ramesh. Take 3 words.
Dinadarsika, Dinadarshikaha. Kapotapalika, Kapotapalikaha. Rotika, Rotikaha.
Can you tell me the meaning of these words?
Dinadarshika is newspaper.
Okay. Dinadarshika is not newspaper.
Calendar.
It's calendar.
Calendar. Kapotapalika.
It is Kapotapalika is like the cage.
Cage.
Kabutar Khana.
Yes. Kabutar Khana. Yes.
What is that? Repeat it, please. Kapotapalika. Can you repeat?
It is that cage for this keeping these pigeons.
Pigeon.
Rotika is roti, everybody knows. Next, Vindhya. Take 3 words.
The first word, can you tell me?
Sikthavartika, candle.
Ma'am, what is Sikthavartika?
It is candle.
Okay.
Yes, Vindhya, be quick.
Pratima. Mallika.
You have to say the Bahuvachanam.
I'm sorry. Pratima, Pratimaha, Mallika, Mallikaha.
Can you tell me the meaning?
Mallika is jasmine. Pratima, I don't know.
Pratima is the
statue.
Statue. Sikthavartika is candle. Okay, next, Vedartham Ramesh, did you do 3 words?
Ma'am, in Sikta Vartika, is it 2 words again? Like, is Vartika a common thing that will come? Like Palika?
Yeah, Vartika is that
flame.
Not flame. The what you use for oil lamps also.
Bati.
Wick. The wick.
Wick, yes. Sikthavartika is for
wax
candle. Wax candle, yes. Now,
Gulika, Gulika.
Gulikaha.
Nalika, Nalika. Makshika, Makshika.
Okay. Can you tell me what is Nalika?
Tube.
Bed bug.
Tube.
Bed bug.
No, tube.
Tube.
Makshika is fly, house fly.
Fly, yes. Next, Madhavi.
I can't see the last word.
Prahelika.
Prahelika, Prahelikaha. Don't know the meaning.
Prahelika is puzzle.
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 You do this crossword puzzle, jigsaw puzzle, whatever puzzles are there, they are Prahelika.
Paheli.
Oh yeah, sound similar, sound close to Hindi word. Bhasha, Bhashaha. That is language. Sikshika, Sikshikaha. It's like a teacher.
Sheila Mahoday.
Bhakta, Bhaktaha. Nadi, Nadyaha.
See?
Bhakta. Bhakta means what?
Devotee.
Devotee.
Nadi, Nadyaha. Here you have this Ikaranta Strilinga words. Then Kalpana.
Velani, Velanyaha.
Velani, Velanyaha.
Chalani, Chalanyaha. Sahodari, Sahodariyaha.
Can you tell me the meanings?
Sahodari, sister. Chalani is the, what to say, the
save you, like a tea stainer or to save floor also you use that.
Velani, I don't know.
Velani is
rolling pin.
Rolling
pin.
Rolling pin. I'm sorry, what is Velani?
For making rotis, you use that stick, no?
Belan.
Belan. To prepare rotis, just a minute. To prepare rotis, you use that wooden stick peg.
It's a rolling pin.
Rolling pin, yes. That is Velani. Clear? Okay. Next, Sonal.
Janani, Jananyaha, Nati, Natya,
Natyaha.
Nartaki, Nartakyaha. So Janani is a mother.
Yes.
Nartaki is a dancer. Nati, I don't know.
Nati is actress. Yes. Next.
Dharmi, Dharvayah. Kupi, Kupayah. Vapi, Vapayah.
See here, Kupi, Kupyah. Vapi, Vapyah. Like that it should come. Okay?
Okay.
Kupyaha means what?
Kupi is bottle. Okay?
Vapi?
Vapi is well. Have you seen wells?
Yes.
Those days, every house would have wells. Every village would have big wells.
Kuvo.
Kuva. Yes. Then, who is next? Madhuri?
Santosh.
Vyagri, Vyagraha.
Vyagri, Vyagriyaha. Yeah, you must add.
Yes. Mayuri, Mayuryaha.
Mayuryaha.
Sakhi, Sakhyaha.
Sakhyaha. Please tell me the meanings.
Vyagri is tigress.
Vyagri is tigress. Okay.
Mayuri is female peacock. Sakhi is friend, female friend.
Okay. Then
Matula.
Sheila, did you do?
Excuse me, what is Sakhi?
Sakhi is friend.
Friend.
Okay. Sakhi. Okay.
Sheila, did you do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kalpana?
Kalpana?
I haven't.
Okay.
Can I go ahead?
Yeah.
Matulani, Matulanyah, Matamahi, Matamahyah, Pitamahi, Pitamahyah. Matulani, I don't know the meaning.
Matulani is, Matulaha is mother's brother.
Uncle. Mother's brother. Okay.
Matulani is uncle's wife. Matulani.
Uncle's wife. And Matamahi.
Matamahi is mother's mother.
Okay.
Pitamahi is father's mother.
Okay.
Clear?
Thank you.
Okay. Next, Santosh, have you done?
Yes.
So, what's the Bahuvachan of Matamahi?
Matamahi is mother's
Bahuvachan. Bahuvachan.
Matamahyah.
How to write it?
I'll show you. After we finish this. Please remind me. I'll show you.
Yeah.
Okay. Grahani. Grahini. Grahanya.
See here. Grihini.
Grahani.
Grihini.
Grihini. Grahanya.
Grihinya.
Karamkari. Karamkarya.
Karmakari. Karmakaryaha.
Karyaha. Gardabhi.
Gardabhyaha.
Gardabhyaha.
Next, Alagappan.
Meaning?
What is the meaning of Gardabhya?
Gadedo.
Female donkey. Alagappan.
Namaste ji. Strayah. That right? Strayah. Tintrinyah. Lekani. Lekanyah. Lekani.
Just a minute. Here, Stri would be Striyaha. Striyaha, you have to say. These two are correct. Tintrini and Lekhani, they are correct.
Okay.
What is the Tintrini means? Bahuvachan?
Tintrinyaha.
Tintrinya.
What is Tintrini? It is tamarind.
Oh.
Tamarind. It is called Tintrini.
Haldar?
It's no. Amli.
Okay.
Lekhani, you know. You have already learned. Okay. Next, Sundari Mahodaya.
Gati. Gatyaha. Rangavalyaha. Margani. Marjanyaha.
Meaning?
What is
Gati, clock. Rangavalli, Rangoli. Margani,
Margini is mop or eraser. Actually, margini is mop. Some margini is eraser.
Margini is mop.
Okay. Next, Preeti Mahoday.
Darvi, Darvyah, Devi, Devyah, Vijnanini, Vijnaniniya. Darvi is ladle. Devi is goddess. Vijnanini is
scientist.
Female scientist.
Female scientist. Then Ganesh Mahodaya.
Shuki.
Shuki, Shukayah,
Shukyah.
Sorry. Shuki, Shukah, Shukyah, Dehali, Dehalyah, Nari, Naryah.
Here, Dehali, what do you understand by that?
Sorry.
And
Border? Like a border?
Delhi is a threshold.
Yes.
Entrance?
Threshold.
Yes. Entrance threshold, this, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. Border. And Shuki is parrot, female
parrot. Yes. Next.
Sorry, Dehali is what? Threshold?
Threshold, yes. Next, Ami Mahoday.
Nari, Naryah.
Is screen pointing?
Sorry, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Dantapali, Dantapalyah. Putri, Putriyah. Nari is woman. Pali, I don't know.
Dantapali is gum, that which holds, which.
And Putri is daughter.
Putri is daughter. Gums you have, no? That is Dantapali. Okay, Karthik Mahodaya.
Putri, Putriyah, Dauhitri, Dauhitriyah, Pautri, Pautriyah. Putri is daughter. Dauhitri is daughter-in-law. And Pautri is granddaughter.
Dauhitri is also granddaughter.
Yes.
Yeah.
Dauhitri is also granddaughter.
What is the difference between these two?
So
Dauhitri.
Daughter, son's daughter.
Yes, please, everybody don't answer. I am asking Karthik Mahodaya, he will answer. Yes, please.
So Dauhitri is Duhita's daughter, that is a daughter's daughter. So Pautri will be, it can be either daughter or son's daughter.
No, Pautri is granddaughter only.
Yeah.
Son's daughter. Son's daughter. Yes, please. Somebody having any some doubts?
What is the word? What is the word for daughter? Is it Dauhit? What is that?
See, please mute everybody. Putri is daughter.
Correct.
Dauhitri is daughter's granddaughter, but daughter's daughter.
And what is for daughter in
Duhita, that is
Duhita.
Akaranta. You can add that if you want. Duhita. Duhita is daughter. Akaranta Strilinga. Ekavachanam. Now what will be the Bahuvachanam for that?
Duhityaha.
Duhitaha. Yes. That's all. Okay. Yes. Next is Meenakshi Mahoday.
Brahmari, Brahmrayah.
Brahmaryah.
Brahmrayah.
Brahmaryah.
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 Yes.
Right? Lekika, Lekikaya.
See? Here it is akaranta.
Oh, sorry. Lekhikaha.
Just pay attention.
Sorry.
Okay.
Kavitri. Kavitriyah.
Kavayitri, Kavayitriyah.
Kavitriyah.
Who is a Kavayitri?
Brahmari.
A female poet.
Kavayitri is female poetess.
No,
Right.
Brahmari. Brahmari.
Brahmari. What is Brahmari?
Dumbi.
Dumbi. you must say in English. Everybody can't understand.
It is
Honeybee.
honeybee.
Yep. Madhumakshika is honeybee. Brahmari is
One who moves.
Female
moves the walking.
What? Brahmari means what?
Brahmari is
I mean,
Is it yellow one?
bee.
Bumblebee.
Bee. Simple bee. You keep it bee. Bumblebee, you have to add something else that that you find out on your own. Okay.
Acharya Mahoday.
Mahoday.
Ekam Brahmari beetle अस्ति वा?
Beetle bhavitum shakyate.
Beetle, we can call it as beetle, that which grows flowers and
शक्यते. इदानीं
what is Lekhika?
Lekhika is a writer.
Right, okay.
See, what is the difference between Lekhika and Kavayitri?
Poet and like
Writer and poetess. Yeah.
Okay. Now, who is next? Nirmal Mahodaya?
Swasruh. Savyah. Rajju. Rajavah. Veena. Veenaha.
Meaning?
Rajju is a rope.
Rope. Rajjuhu is rope. Rope with which you tie objects.
Yeah.
Veena is an instrument that already you have seen.
Yeah.
What about Shwashruhu? Can anybody tell me?
I don't know.
Can
Mother-in-law. Mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law. Shwashruhu. What is the Bahuvachan for Shwashruhu?
Shvashvaha. Shvashvayaha. Ya should come. Always you must remember for Strilinga Bahuvachanam in just a minute.
This is Linga, right?
Yes. No. This is
Swasruhu is mother-in-law.
Here Ukaranta. This is Ukaranta. Shvashruhu is Ukaranta. It will be Shvashruvaha. Shvashruvaha will come. Shvashruvaha.
So is this the first time we are seeing Strilingam with aha, with Visarga?
Maybe, yes.
Because I don't remember seeing
yes.
with Visarga before.
See, here some of the words they have, no? Rajjuhu, Dhenuhu, like that. Whoever is left out, they can try the remaining words.
Madam, it is a double U, no? Double U here. Shwashru.
Shwashruhu.
Shwashruhu. So how it will change? It will change to
Shvashruvaha. Shvashruvaha.
Shvashruvaha.
So
listen, everybody. Here, when Rajjuhu is there, this is ukara, hrasva ukara. This will be rajjavaha. Rajjavaha. Dhenuhu, dhenavaha. Hanuhu, hanavaha. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is the meaning of dhena? Dhenu?
Dhenu is cow.
Okay. Hanuhu?
Hanuhu is cheek.
What
is what, ma'am?
Cheek.
Cheek.
Hanuman.
Oh.
Cheek.
I'm sorry, I missed Rajuhu. What is Rajuhu?
Rajuhu is rope.
Oh, Raju. Okay.
Okay.
So,
okay.
Now I have a question. Shuhu, it is a ukaranta.
Yes.
So there is no difference between ukaranta and ukaranta. Is just the ya is added.
See.
Why is added?
Rajjuhu is rajjavaha bahuvachanam.
Correct.
Shvashruhu is shvashvaha.
Oh, so there is a difference how it is said.
Yes. Okay.
We have not done that, right?
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Of course, don't worry too much about this ukaranta and ukaranta. You will not come across immediately. You learn more of this ikaranta, akaranta, and ukaranta. Dhenuhu, hanuhu, rajju. Okay. These things you can learn. You can leave this ukaranta for later classes. Okay.
What is jambu, ma'am?
Jambu phalam. Jambu phalam is
Goa.
Blackberry. What do you call that?
Jamun.
Jamun. Yes. Chamu is army. Yes. Chamu is army. Sena. You say no?
Yeah.
That is.
Team. Chamu is team.
So Chamu Bahuvachan, what is?
Jambavaha.
Jambu. See,
Jambu.
let us not do this ukaranta. Let us learn about them later. Okay? You learn only up to ukaranta. You practice only up to ukaranta. Okay? Okay. Now, I wanted to do something else also today. Let me.
Can you just tell us how to write that, ma'am? Dhenavaha.
Dhenavaha.
Yeah. Rajvaha. Those.
Okay. Yeah, I'll show you. Can you see the screen here?
Yes.
You want to see Dhenuhu, isn't it?
Dhenuhu.
Dhenuhu. Dhenuhu is there. That will be Dhenavaha. Okay?
Okay.
Rajjuhu you want to see.
Rajju.
Rajjuhu. That will be Rajjavaha.
Can you help with the Vyagri and Vrag?
Yeah.
The Pullinga for Vyagri.
Vyagri you want to see?
I think I can write Vyagri, but the Pullinga.
Oh, you want the Pullinga?
I mean, sorry. The Bahuvachana.
Okay.
For Vyagri.
Vyagri is Ekavachanam. Okay.
Ekavachanam. Yeah, that I can write.
Okay.
What,
Vyagriyaha. Vyagri, Vyagriyaha. Okay. Anything else?
Okay.
Matamahi.
Matamahyaha.
Vyagriya. Is it Vyagra?
Matamahyaha.
Matamahyaha. Okay.
But that's not how you wrote Vyagriyaha. You wrote it different, right?
No. This also needs to be added to this, but this because of this online this thing.
Oh, okay. That's where I'm. I don't know how to write that.
The way the ya is joined, same way here also it should be joined.
So should it be like
Gha and ra are there, no? Along with them, you start ya.
Okay.
In Vyagraha, ha need to be halanta, gha need to be halanta.
No. Here, this is because of this online tool, it is showing like that.
But otherwise, it has to be normal.
Yes, it should be joined.
Okay.
Like the way it is written mahyaha, here also it is vyagriyaha.
Ma'am, does it mean that with small ukaranta, both purling, striling, it's the same rule, right? Dhenu, dhenavaha, and there also it is bhanu, bhanavaha, right? It's the same. For striling, purling, it's the same rule.
Dhenavaha, bhanavaha, guravaha, avaha. Welcome.
Yes.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Can you join 3 letters together? It's Vyagraha, Vyagrayaha. Already 2 words are there. Ra and G. Gra. So will you be able to join again the third letter?
Yeah, you can do.
Ma'am, maybe if you can write on a piece of paper and show on the screen, it will be helpful.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Yeah, that pragya is.
Can you see my paper? This is Vyagriyaha. Can you see?
No.
Ma'am?
Bring it closer.
Closer and raise it.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Little up.
Now?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the way you have to write. Okay. Now we have to learn one more topic today. You have learnt asti nasti, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we have to learn to say asti santi also. Santi is bahuvachanam. Yes, let me share the screen. Can you see now? Asti, santi. Asti is present. Gajaha asti, kupi asti, lekhani asti, ankani asti, all these things. Now, santi, they are. Gajaha santi. You have learnt bahuvachanam. So, kupyaha santi. Kandukani santi. Nasti is, it's not present. It's not here. Na asti, nasti. Okay. न सन्ति. They are not here. सिंहाः न सन्ति. कर्तरी नास्ति. कर्तर्यः न सन्ति. Okay. So here you are able to see the screen, no? Can you say santi for all these things?
Yeah.
Yes. Let us start from Aarti Mahoday. Aarti Mahoday.
वीणाः सन्ति.
वीणाः सन्ति. You can also add वीणावादकाः न सन्ति. Like that. You both positive and negative you can say. वीणाः सन्ति. वीणावादकाः न सन्ति.
वीणावादकाः.
Player of veena. वीणावादकः is ekavachanam, pullinga ekavachanam. वीणावादकाः is bahuvachanam. Sandeep Mahoday.
Guravah santi. Guravah. Guravah santi. Adhyapakaः न सन्ति.
अध्यापकाः न सन्ति. सुकन्या.
कुक्कुराः सन्ति. बिडालः न सन्ति.
बिडालाः
न सन्ति.
निर्मल महोदय.
Mailaha. Only one is there, so I should say Maila.
What is there? There are clocks, no?
I think you have to only put it at little down.
Oh, you want me to? Can you see now? Better? Okay.
Ankanya santi.
Ankanyah kutra santi? Where are they? Ankanyah, I don't see here.
Is there just?
Oh, okay. I was going in an order. Okay. Ankanyah santi.
Lekhanya
न सन्ति. मीनाक्षी महोदय.
घट्यः सन्ति. हस्तघटयः न सन्ति.
हस्तघट्यः न सन्ति. सम्यक्. कार्तिक महोदय.
गजः अस्ति, अश्वः नास्ति. नद्यः सन्ति.
अमी महोदय.
Hello.
Lot of disturbance.
Yes, everybody please mute. Only Ami Mahoday will answer.
Can you hear me?
Just a minute, Ami Mahoday. Everybody please mute. Alagappan Mahoday, you have to mute. Ami Mahoday.
Okay. Vanaraha asti. Gajaha न सन्ति.
वानराः सन्ति. वानराः सन्ति.
वानराः सन्ति. गजाः न सन्ति.
न सन्ति. गणेश महोदय.
पताका सन्ति. बीज न सन्ति.
पताकाः सन्ति.
पताकाः सन्ति. बीजः न सन्ति.
What is not? I'm not able to.
Bij. Something else I am telling, which is not there. Bijah.
What is bijah?
Bijah is a seed.
Bijah. Okay. Bijah. Bijah nasti. Bijah. If you are saying bijah na santi. Okay. Preeti Mahoday.
नद्यः सन्ति. वृक्षाः न सन्ति.
वृक्षाः अपि सन्ति.
Actually वृक्षाः. बालिकाः न सन्ति.
सुन्दरी महोदय. सुन्दरी महोदय.
कर्त्र्यः सन्ति. कर्तर्यः सन्ति. महिलाः न सन्ति.
अलगप्पन् महोदय. अलगप्पन् महोदय.
घट्यः सन्ति. महिलायः न सन्ति.
का न सन्ति. काः? It's not clear. माधुरी महोदय.
स्त्रियः सन्ति. बालिकाः न सन्ति.
सोनल महोदय.
अंकन्यः सन्ति. लेखन्यः न सन्ति.
संतोष महोदय. संतोष महोदय.
महिलाः सन्ति. अध्यापिकाः न सन्ति.
प्लीज म्यूट. कल्पना.
महिलाः सन्ति. वैद्याः न सन्ति.
शीला.
Ma'am, the voice is echoing. Everybody needs to mute.
Yes, let me mute everybody.
वानराः सन्ति. गजाः न सन्ति. न सन्ति या न सन्ति.
न सन्ति.
न सन्ति. ओ.
हाँ. न सन्ति. Here you can see, no? Na santi. Next. Madhavi Mahoday.
नद्याः सन्ति.
नद्यः.
नद्यः सन्ति. वेलाः न सन्ति.
वेलाः अपि सन्ति. विन्ध्या.
वीणाः सन्ति. वीणावादकाः न सन्ति.
वेदार्थं रमेश.
चित्राः सन्ति चित्रकाराः न सन्ति
रीटा
नद्यः सन्ति वृद्धाः न सन्ति
हिना
You have to unmute, Mahoday.
नट्यः सन्ति नर्तक्यः न सन्ति
हरप्रसाद महोदय
गुरवः सन्ति छात्राः न सन्ति
गायत्री महोदय
गायकाः सन्ति गायिकाः गायकाः सन्ति गायिकाः न सन्ति
अरुण महोदय
वीणाः सन्ति छात्राः न सन्ति
Anybody left out? Okay, we go to the next topic. Atra tatra. When you say something is here, you will say Gajaha atra asti, Lekhani atra asti, Pustakam atra asti. Then something is farther, it's not here. Then you will say Simhaha tatra asti, Balakaha tatra asti, Mandiram tatra asti, like that. Anyatra, somewhere else. Balakaha anyatra asti. He is not somewhere. He is somewhere. He is not here. Mayuraha anyatra santi. Phalani anyatra santi. Atra na santi. Sarvatra. Ishvaraha sarvatra asti. God is everywhere. Vayuhu sarvatra asti. Then Ishvaraha kutra asti? Where is Ishvara? Ishvara sarvatra asti. Lekhani kutra asti? Lekhani atra asti. It is here. Nakshatram kutra asti? Nakshatram tatra asti. Okay, like that you have to I'll show you some again objects. You have to tell me. Okay, wait a minute. Here you have to tell me what is here, what is there. Atra tatra sarvatra anyatra. Okay, will you remember?
Yeah.
Putra. So each person will ask in their group. I'll name them: Arun Mahodaya, Gayatri Mahodaya, Haraprasad Mahodaya, Hina and Rita. You 5 people showing this picture, you will ask your friends. Yes.
Okay. Gayatri Mahodaya. Pustaka katra asti?
धन्यवाद अरुण महोदय. पुस्तकम् अत्र अस्ति. हरप्रसाद महोदय
वातायनं
वातायनं कुत्र अस्ति?
Okay. Who is the other person? I'm sorry, I forgot.
Hina and Rita.
Okay. Rita Mahodaya, Vatayanam atra asti, Pustakani atra asti.
Pustakani, Bahuvachanam you are saying. Then what should come there?
Oh, Pustakani atra santi.
Santi, yes.
Pustakani atra santi. Yeah. Lekani kutra asti.
Rita Mahoday.
Lekhani.
I'm only seeing the window here. Am I missing the screen or?
No. Only window.
Oh, okay.
Correct.
Yeah.
Lekhani atra nasti. Gayatri Mahodaya, Hina Mahodaya, Vrikshaha kutra asti. Vrikshaha kutra santi.
Vrikshaha santi. Kutra santi.
Santi.
Okay. Now, next group is Vedartham Ramesh, Vindhya, Madhavi, Sheila, Kalpana.
Yajanam kutra asti.
Please mute. You people should use this earphones or headphones. Background noise is too much actually. Whom are you asking?
Sheila Mahodaya, Yajanam kutra asti?
Vyajanam atra asti.
You ask somebody. You have Kalpana, Madhavi and Vindhya.
Kalpana Mahodaya. I don't know.
Vyajanam itra asti.
Atra.
Okay. Vyajanam atra asti. Rajavaha kutra asti.
Rajavaha kutra santi.
Kutra santi. Madhavi Mahodaya.
Rajavaha yatra santi.
Atra, here.
Rajavaha atra santi. I thought that's what I said. Sheila Mahodaya.
You must ask Vindhya.
Oh, Vindhya. Oh, Vindhya Mahodaya. दिनदर्शिकाः कुत्र अस्ति कुत्र सन्ति Did I ask it right?
Yes. Vindhya has to answer.
Dinadarshika itra nasti.
Atra nasti.
Atra nasti.
Yeah, did she ask Bahuvachanam? Dinadarshikaah?
No, ekvachanam.
Okay. Okay. Dinadarshika atra nasti. Ask something. India. Chatram kutra asti, you can ask.
Kalpana Mahodaya, Chatram kutra asti.
Okay. Next group is Santosh, Sonal, Madhuri, Alagappan and Sundari.
सोनल महोदये, देव्यः कुत्र अस्ति?
देवः अत्र अस्ति. ओके. प्रतिमा कुत्र अस्ति? संतोष महोदय,
प्रतिमा अत्र अस्ति. रामा कुत्र अस्ति?
कुत्र अस्ति? रामः
रामः कुत्र अस्ति?
Whom are you asking?
I don't know.
Your group
Sundari Mahoday.
So,
Sundari Mahoday. Rama kutra asti? Ramah tatra asti. Alagappan Mahodaya. Vayuhu kutra asti?
What is the word for somewhere?
Sundari Mahoday.
Anyatra.
Sundari Mahoday. Vayuhu sarvatra asti. Sita kutra asti?
Sita kutra asti?
Sita kutra asti?
Whom are you asking?
Santosh Mahoday.
No. Those who have answered, please don't. Those who are left out, you ask them.
Oh, who else is left, madam?
Santosh.
Sonal.
Santosh is done.
Sonal, Madhuri.
Madhuri.
Vayu.
Yes, please. Please be quick. Okay, we'll go to the next group. Preeti, Ganesh, Ami, Karthik, Meenakshi.
Okay.
I'll start.
Okay, we can use this image itself as
रामः कुत्र अस्ति?
रामः अत्र अस्ति. शुकराजः किम् अस्ति अमी महोदय?
किं नास्ति, कुत्र?
Sorry, can you please correct me?
कुत्र अस्ति शुकराजः?
शुकराजः कुत्र अस्ति अमी महोदय?
Could you repeat the first word of the question that you're asking?
शुकराजः. शुकराजः कुत्र अस्ति?
शुकराजः अत्र कुत्र अस्ति? मीनाक्षी महोदय.
Yes.
मीनाक्षी महोदय, पादुकाः कुत्र अस्ति?
पादुकाः तत्र अस्ति. ऋषि ऋषिव्य कुत्र
ऋषयः
अस्ति?
ऋषयः
ऋषयः कुत्र अस्ति?
कुत्र सन्ति? पादुका also, paduka is ekavachanam, padukaha is bahuvachanam. When you are saying padukaha, then it will be
कुत्र सन्ति
kutra santi. Rishayah rishi rishihi kutra asti, rishayah kutra santi.
ऋषयः कुत्र सन्ति?
Padukaha kutra santi. Whom are you asking?
कार्तिक महोदय.
धन्यवादः महोदय, मीनाक्षी महोदय. ऋषयः अत्र सन्ति. Whom should I ask?
You can go ask Nirmal, Sukanya, Sandeep or Aarti.
सुकन्या महोदये, कपयः कुत्र सन्ति?
कपयः अत्र सन्ति. And
Nirmal.
Okay. Nirmal महोदय, भक्ताः कुत्र सन्ति?
भक्ताः अन्यत्र सन्ति.
Sandeep and Aarti are left.
आरती महोदय, देव्यः कुत्र सन्ति?
देव्यः
देव्यः अन्यत्र सन्ति.
Sandeep महोदय.
क्वेश्चन मैम, दिनदर्शिका कुत्र अस्ति?
कुत्र अस्ति?
दिनदर्शिका न अस्ति, हनुमान अस्ति.
Hanuman अत्र अस्ति. Hanumantah also you can say. Yes, please mute. Please mute everybody. Please mute. So this is the way you have to practice this atra, tatra, kutra, anyatra, sarvatra. And today you have learnt Strilinga Bahuvachanam, and that also in Akaranta Strilinga and Ikaranta Strilinga. Ukaranta also you have learnt, but Ukaranta you need not worry about now. Ukaranta Strilinga like Rajjuhu, Dhenuhu, those things you can practice well. Okay. Then what else did we do? Asti, Santi, that we have learned. So let us wind up for today, because it's already 5 minutes. We have crossed our time limit. So Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah,
सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु
मा कश्चित् दुःख भाग् भवेत्. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. हरि ओम. अस्तु. So अग्रिम कक्ष्यायां पुनर्मिलामः. If you have any questions, please WhatsApp. Thank you.
धन्यवाद महोदय.
धन्यवाद.